Alright guys, we're back in another video. So I'm just going over the system so I have everything installed. Keep sliding up a little bit, but it'll be alright. It ain't going nowhere. I got 20 amp hours of skip. I'm not 20. Sorry about that. I got 80 amp hours of skip cells behind this box. It's about I think I posted a picture of it. It's not really that wide. It's real thin, and you know it's about that. You know, it's a good little length. It's not real long compared to all the yen long I had. And the weight is a whole lot less, and it allowed me to put it behind this box in between the third row seat and the enclosure right here. So, and of course, the seat, for some reason this thing here keeps coming up, but it'll still let me close it up and everything. So I guess it's good. But we got the Terrence Bass 8K right here. We got this at 1.33. I could go at 0.33, but I'm not really gonna go that far for right now. I may just get a bigger amp. We got the Sundown U subwoofers right here. We got the dual 2-ohm 15-inch subwoofers, and of course we got the custom audio by JD enclosure right here for the 315s. It fits perfectly behind the third row seat of a 2000, well, for a Suburban in general. It'll probably fit any one of them except the new ones. I'm not really for sure on the dimensions on the new ones. I know from the 2003 model on up to 13, it'll probably fit behind the third row. But of course, if you want to pick up any custom enclosure, you go to Custom Audio by JD. But there's a lot of other great builders as well, so you know you can check them out too. But this one right here can have Custom Audio by JD, and it looks great. And I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit of get the lights to show on the camera. I'm not sure. Y'all probably seen the videos. I put up some shorts and stuff like that on my page as well. So y'all probably seen it. Let me see if I can get the lights playing or whatnot. I got this wireless microphone on, but when they come back with the new one and stuff, I'm gonna be in there. You know, I'm gonna get the new wireless. And they showed that before I could get it. So hopefully the audio came out alright. I got one of the other ones, but I ain't really used it. So okay. That's the thing about having a bunch of lights in the vehicle. You really gotta remember which remote it is. Let's see. She probably unplugged this, I can guarantee you. Yeah, I guarantee you. Hold on. I never know what she might be doing with this stuff. She'll go and switch something out, and I won't even realize she went and did it. Straight wire this into the Headway. Gosh, picks up a lot of noise. Alright, you got it going. So let me see. I got the wireless DSP by Timpano. Of course you can get other brands as well, but that's what I'm using for now. So as you can see right here, I'm just gonna keep that off for right now, considering it'll get the copyright. So we're just gonna turn on the bass. I'm gonna turn on the bass for now. I'm gonna try to go to the park and get a little bit of footage. Let me see if I can get this up a little bit higher. Alright, so I can't really get a whole bunch of flexing footage right now because I'm trying to be generous, which I really don't have to consider the location where I'm at. And the other neighbors that gave me the okay, but you got somebody around the corner who complained. But you know, we're really gonna go ahead and go with it. I don't never go too far with it either way. But let me see. So, like I say, if this microphone didn't work right, we just blew the whole footage. So, let's see. Of course, y'all know we got these in there. At the front right here, that's the front with the two. That's an 8 and a 6.5. Those are PRV speakers. Of course, anything I have featured in this vehicle, it'll be on the web, on the Cardell Connect website. Under my build, you'll be able to see it there, and you'll be able to see everything, details and everything like that. So that's the front, and that's the back. Of course, you got the customspeakerpods.com. You can go over there and use code BASSWITHKEV and save over there. And if you get loaded pods right now, you can get 35% off. So you make sure you use code BASSWITHKEV and get that discount. Either way, you get a discount. Whatever you buy, you use code BASSWITHKEV. Of course, you got the 8-inch and the 6.5 and the Neo Tweeter PRV right here. They do sell speakers as well over there, so you can buy it all in one place. If not, of course, I have other links and discount codes and things like that that you can use to support the channel. There's a little bit of missing there right now, so we ain't gonna get into that. But yeah, be sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see y'all next show.